I'm Tasneem, founder of Linguixtutor. My vision for those with stories to tell. Here's my story. In 1989, my family moved to Bangalore from Mumbai. I was 11 and unprepared for the change. As the youngest of four, I had enjoyed a carefree life in Mumbai. Our parents, though not well read, ensured we had access to education. Life in Bangalore was a shock. My new schoolmates spoke English, a language I barely understood. Embarrassed and struggling, I avoided conversations and pretended to understand. Determined to learn, I worked hard, mimicked others, and took every opportunity to improve. By the 9th grade, I had taught myself enough English to get by, though it wasn't perfect. My real challenge began when I joined a call center after graduation. Speaking with US clients was tough, but I persisted, mimicking accents, watching sitcoms, and reading voraciously. My efforts paid off, and I moved into training, a role I thrived in. Through my journey, I faced fear, anxiety, low self-esteem, and more. I know how it feels to struggle with language and confidence. Linguixtutor is inspired by my challenges and triumphs. Now I want to help you overcome your obstacles. Join me at Linguixtutor and let's achieve success together. Welcome to Linguixtutor.